Hello everyone, this is a quick video on Stormboard, www.stormboard.com. You do need to log in for Stormboard. You can only create 5 storms under the free package, but you can upgrade. But for the purposes of today, we're just going to show you a couple of ways that you can use Stormboards in your classrooms. So we have one that's already loaded that has been used by some students. So the facilities for Stormboard are many really. You could have KWL forms, you can have posters, post-its and stickies. There's brainstorming, and I'll take you through a lot of the different templates in a few seconds. This one was a KWL done on the health and hygiene problems of dogs for the Caring for Animals short course, and basically students were able to come onto this Stormboard and add their thoughts under each of these. They were given a specific colour sticky, and they then added their thoughts. So to create a new idea, they could add a piece of text, they could add an image, they can add a file, they could pick the colour of their sticky as well. So what you can do over on the right hand side, you see everything is kind of toggled. You can hide it away. Down at the bottom right is actually where you would pick your sticky colour, and you can increase and decrease the size of your storm. So we can see here what students would have liked to have known was that they need to know the symptoms that dogs may show, how do we treat dogs with particular infections, and what do we do if they're unwell. Some of the things that they learnt, the word that vets use to describe dogs that have that have problems with their fur, dogs that may have issues with their bones, or that they are more susceptible to that problem, and that they learn all about ear infections, which was really disgusting and gross. Okay, so that's just one there, KWL template. I suppose if I can go back, so you always go up to the top left, go back to the dashboard, and you'll be able to see all of your recent storms. Now, as I said, you can only have 5 storms in the light kind of package, but you can quite easily get rid of one of these storms, and it will leave you room then to create a new one. So you would just do that by closing the storm. So this one was one that we did on Christmas, and again this was A to Z, so it's quite a nice one if you were doing a word bank maybe and you wanted to put in all of your A words, all of your P words that they're using or that they're learning in a novel or a new project. And again, this one was to think of something that reminded them of Christmas. So we've snow, fire, warmth. So again, just a different way of brainstorming that they are engaging with, that it's not us just writing notes out on the board for them. So let's just have a look at how we might create a new one very quickly, because you are going to have a play around. So you go to Create Storm, and we're going to put in St. Patrick, and we're going to save it. So down at the bottom here we have templates. So when you click on templates, you will see lots of different options coming up here. If you click on the toggle previewer up here, it just brings it up that little bit bigger so you can see. So this one is 10 sections basically. We do have some educational calendars which are quite good. Some educational ones down here, 5-paragraph essay outline. So what are we going to write at the beginning? What are we going to write in the middle? What are we going to write at the end? Character map. So just some nice different templates. What does the character look like? How does the character act? How do other characters act? And you'll find your KWL empathy map, KWL persona templates, writing templates, reading and analysing non-fiction, word wall. So lots of different templates. And as you can see, it goes on and on. So we've got all different ones. So a lot of businesses actually use this for their team meetings and whatnot. So let's just have an action brainstorming. So this is going to bring up stop, minimize, keep going, and to do more. So maybe we won't use that for St. Patrick after all. Information I don't understand, surprising or interesting things that I found out, vocabulary I want to know more about, things that remind me of other things I know. That might be an interesting way of looking at St. Patrick, because it's one of those topics we do every year, same as St. Bridget, I'm sure. So we're going to click tick up at the top, and that will actually transform our storm then here. So you want to share this with your class, so you're going to come down to share down below, and you're going to invite them using the link or by using the Storm ID and the key. You can also, if you have, if your students do have Google or Gmail accounts, you can connect. You can allow them connect through the link, or you can put their emails in here. Okay, so again, it's one that needs playing around with and teasing out, but it's definitely a nice way of brainstorming online. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll let you go off and play.